Greetings, YouTube. This is Quentin. I'm back with an unboxing of what I believe to be my Galaxy S20 Ultra. So this is a full unboxing. I just got the box from FedEx. So I don't know if I should probably. Well, I can do it right here. So I'm back. Got the box out of the way. Left the box for my cat to play with. So hope she won't be bothering me during the video. So here it is. This is the S20 Ultra 5G right here, and I'm sure you've seen other unboxings, but typical Samsung unboxing. I have the 512 model. I would prefer the 256, but they don't make a 256. It goes straight from 128, which is not bad. That's a good starting storage they give you, but I wish they had like a 256, because 512 is nice to have, but it's a little bit overkill even for me. Anyway, let me stop rambling and get right to it. Let's see, got one piece of tape holding the box together. So slide this off. So here it is, the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, very long name. Hey, I'm back. I couldn't finish my unboxing because my camera's battery went into power saving mode and shut off and kind of cut the video in half. So I'll just give my quick thoughts on the phone after using it for almost a day. Not quite a day, but almost 24 hours. So First things first, what I really like about it is the battery. The battery is excellent. When I put it on the charger last night, I had 39% left, and I had about over 5.5 hours of screen time. So I'll say I probably could have got over 6 if I would have kept pushing, and it still had a lot of battery left, and that's substantial for me. Another thing that I like the form factor. It's a big phone, but it's about the same size as a Note, only a little more narrow, and a slightly more taller, not a whole lot. It's a fingerprint magnet, so I have the Mophie case on it, and I'll be reviewing that case along with some other cases later. The fingerprint scanner works pretty identical to the Note, so I agree with some other reviewers when they said that it hadn't changed a lot. But once you get used to using the fingerprint scanner and get the right technique down, it's really not that bad. Another thing I like is the 120 refresh rate. It didn't really seem to affect my usage as far as my battery usage. I'm sure with 60 hertz you would get better, but if you can still get over 5 hours of screen time, at least for me, I'm keeping it on 120, so I'm good with that. There are some small things that I really like that Samsung has done that I'm going to go over later, but I'll just do that later in another video. But right now, like the phone a lot so far. Haven't really went over too much with it. Still playing with it and setting things up. But thank you for watching, and have a nice day.